Hello people, welcome to the daily vlog. I'm just about to show you my plumbing skills live, so I really hope this works. So, what we've got here is a machine that melts plastic and it goes super hot. So I'm just heating it up now. It's got a green light on it and the green light has to turn red and then green and then red again before you can use it. So I've set it on 265 degrees. And these are a pair of pipe cutters that I bought, and they work like that. You push that. Oh, it's red now. Must keep an eye on that. So I think I've turned the water off. So I'm going to try and do a straight cut on this pipe here. Hopefully, it's very important that you cut pretty straight across the pipe. Otherwise, you don't have a straight connection. So I think lots of water will come out when I've cut this. So I can't really see if I'm straight or not, so I'm just going to go with that. Hope for the best. Oh, did I cut the right one? I want to cut the cold. Okay, so we've got a, I think we've got a cut there. Some description. Can't say if it's straight. No, it's not straight. Okay, I'm going to have to do it again. So again, click it and this springs out. And then I want to take it pretty straight across the joint. Or attempt to do it straight across the joint. So yeah, plumbing in the kitchen. And this is hard water pipe. Let's try that. Right. Looks like a better angle on it, but I can't really tell. But it's a nice clean cut anyway on the hole. Now what I've done is I've plumber's mated up the junction that I'm going to put into it, and now I'm going to get the old one off. So it's stopped dripping, so I don't need that. Funny. Now I've got to be aware there's a really hot thing there, and I'm going to try and get this off. Which I'm going to do. Hopefully I can unscrew this. Oh, okay, it's gone off now. It's gone green again. I need to wait for it to go red again after that. I really have done with some plumbing tools. Getting this joint off is going to be tricky because it's really well PTFE'd. Really well PTFE'd. So I've got something's happening here. That'll be the problem. That's why the pressure is not good on the kitchen tap. It's over melted. Now we know. So I'm trying to get all this old PTFE and it's red again, which I believe is ready to use. I don't know if I've got all the old PTFE off. Oh well, it'll be good enough. Right, so putting my new joint on. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Why doesn't it fit? Need that thing on it, probably. Why doesn't that fit? Oh no, more PTFE and I haven't got more. Oh well. that's going to fit. That is nowhere near enough PTFE and I've run out. Not a good time to run out of PTFE. Let's try this one. No, still nowhere near. Crap. Okay. Move this old. Right, more fun and games. See if I can get this old joint off. Hey. Might have to reuse the PTFE on this other joint because I've run out of new PTFE. That'll be shit, but anyway. Excuse my language, did not mean to swear on camera. It's really strange that that doesn't go on. Oh dear. Faffing now because this was not according to plan. Right. That's unbelievable. That just can't be right. What's that? Oh, it's not right. I had it on the wrong way around. Did I? I don't know. I really thought I'd worked all this out beforehand, but I clearly haven't, so that goes in there. That reduces. So maybe if I take that off again, and I put that one on. Looks better. Not ideal, but anyway. The tighten. Right, I shouldn't over tighten because you're not supposed to do that, so I'm just going to lightly tighten, and I'm going to have to double up the last of my PTFE because that's all I've got left. And I double it up slightly, and you're supposed to take the PTFE in the direction that you are screwing, which now I've clearly lost any sense of any direction whatsoever. So we're just going to put this on here, hope for the best, find out what goes on. Under pressure. Ooh. In the hole. Right. Expert plumbing skills coming up here. This. I'm sure this is not supposed to go on here because there's no grip for it to hold. But you know what? It's good fun, isn't it? I'm getting close up now. I'm going to get stuck in a hole. This has got a fucking, excuse my language, mate, but it's got a slidey bit on it that I'm sure it's not supposed to have there. Sure it's supposed to grip and not slide. Come on now, that's it. Let's get in there. Alright, hopefully that will be secure enough. We're now going to attempt to do my melty thing that I was telling you about. Oh, there's another interesting aspect of the melty thing, and that is you have to get the angle square on, which should be fun. So here we go, banging hot melty thing, ready to use, and we're off. This is where you often need extra hands because you need three, one to hold the pipe either side. Come on, you fucking thing. One, two, three, four, five. Hopefully that's going to work. So I've got melted plastic going off here. And I'm going to fit that on nice and square. And hopefully it creates enough of a seal. I've got a feeling that join is not good enough. Can I get it off? Oh, yes I can. I'm going to go for a bit more melting on that, I think, because I'm not happy with that melt. Colour's not going. Come on, go green, go green. It's all very nerve-wracking, and you really do need a third pair of hands for this job. Right, here we go. Take two. That's a better melt. Right, so now I'm going to put the water on and hope that there aren't too many leaks. And that'll be Raisy's plumbing for the day. Incidentally, I want to show you the problem with the last one and why it didn't get any pressure. If you can see in there, can you see in there? I'll get you some more light, hang on. So there you are, the hole is completely melted and blocked. What it should look like is that, which is much different. So let's just check the water. I'll turn it on now and see what happens. I think we might have a problem. Definitely got a problem. 1 minute. I think I might have connected the wrong tap. Let's check. That's very strange. So there's a considerable amount of water coming up And I'll just show you what happened when I turned the tap on. Turned the cold on, and it came up into the cold and through the hot and out the hot pipe, which is very bizarre. So God knows what I've done now. And then came gushing out here, luckily. So this is where I turn the water on. And when I turn it on here at the tap, it all goes up what I thought had connected the cold pipe, but comes gushing out here. So I'm not sure what the heck is going on there. But Rosie's plumbing's going really well so far. I'll show you what else I've been up to, because obviously not plumbing day today. So what we also have is a little kitten trying to follow me in. And we'll be working really hard on the kitchen today. So we've got a lovely kitchen, and I've been doing some more shelves, made all these brackets here, and varnished all the wood and sanded it all down, made a, excuse me kitten, but you're going to get stood on, and that's a flypaper. And over here also a bit more finishing off on brackets with this lovely curve that came out of the curve over there. And yes, this cat is following me around. So thanks for watching the daily vlog, and better luck tomorrow. Over and out. Bye.